guys and welcome back to your favorite show Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं मनीष और मैं लेके आया हूं आपके लिए सबसे लेटेस्ट, सबसे ताजी, सबसे fresh खबरें from the world of Bollywood and social media. I hope you guys have had a good weekend, and for those of you who were keeping yourselves abreast with everything that was happening in Bollywood, I'm sure you did check out our Zoom Facebook page. And for those of you who do want to keep updated with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and your favorite celebrities, again, like I said, don't forget to check out our Zoom Facebook page. Now, without wasting much more time, let's kickstart the show.
5 Bollywood stars who are tan, man, dhan, truly Indian. Kareena and Shilpa set work-life balance goals. Top updates from the CBI investigation in Sushant's case. Deepika and Katrina will soon resume shooting for their respective films. Sushant's case embroiled in a web of conspiracy theories.
हमारे लिए हर चुनौती मुमकिन है।
हमें अपने देश पर हद से ज्यादा यकीन है।
तभी तो पूरी दुनिया को मालूम है कि कल हमारा है।
क्योंकि तन
मन
धन ट्रूली इंडियन हमारा नारा है।
The Times Network launched a very special Tan Man Dhan, Truly India Hamara Nara Hai campaign on Independence Day that spoke about a confident and ambitious new India that was not afraid to take bold new steps forward.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा है.
As a part of the initiative, we celebrate 5 Indian actors who are shining examples of an ideal citizen, hardworking visionaries who have always gone above and beyond to help those less privileged and make India proud with their deeds.
Tan Man Dhan, truly Indian, speaks of the many leaps India is making and becoming a force to reckon with globally. Whether it's in the fields of defense, technology, art, business, or even science, India has truly made its mark in the world. And when it comes to Bollywood, there are a number of Bollywood stars who truly make us proud to be Indian, not just because of their acting talent, but because of their heroism in real life. Now, here are our top 5 Bollywood stars who are Tan Man Dhan, truly Indian. Check it out.
Number 1. Akshay Kumar. Akshay is a shining example of a self-made man. The actor has not just risen to become one of India's most successful actors, he is also the most generous. He contributed 25 crores to the PM CARES Fund during the recent pandemic. He has also contributed to flood relief work in Assam, Chennai and Odisha, contributing 1 crore rupees each time. Akshay, who will be playing a transgender in an upcoming film, has also pledged to donate towards building a home for transgenders. Akshay has launched a website and an app called Bharat Ke Veer to help the families of the soldiers who lost their lives serving the country. Generosity is his middle name, and it will be hard to find a more truly patriotic Indian than Akshay. Number 2. Salman Khan. Salman is known to be one of the most generous actors in Bollywood and has gone out of his way to help those in need. Salman started the Being Human Foundation in 2007 for education and healthcare services for the underprivileged in India. Salman's charitable organization has funded over 500 children through different schools in Mumbai and also supports the Veer Initiative, a program to train differentially abled people. Salman अपने फाउंडेशन के थ्रू उन बच्चों की मदद करते हैं who are born with congenital heart defects and craniofacial deformities. Flood relief हो या drought relief, and even recently during the pandemic, Salman Khan ने तन मन धन से इंडिया और इंडियंस की सेवा की है. Number 3. Shah Rukh Khan. किंग खान सिर्फ बॉलीवुड के बादशाह ही नहीं, वो अपने जेनरोसिटी और केयरिंग नेचर की वजह से लोगों के दिलों पर राज करते हैं. Shah Rukh Khan, who has long been the face of Indian cinema abroad, recently offered the office spaces behind his home to the BMC to house COVID patients who need special care, also donated thousands of PPE kits to doctors who have been frontline warriors in this pandemic. इसके अलावा शाहरुख खान ने मुंबई के एक हॉस्पिटल में चिल्ड्रंस वार्ड एंड अ कैंसर विंग फंड किया है. शाहरुख खान इंडिया के 12 विलेजेस की देखभाल करते हैं after he adopted them in 2012 and also works closely with charities who fulfill the wishes of terminally ill children. Truly a man with a golden heart and a proud Indian. Shahrukh Khan tan man dhan se Indian hai and we have no doubts about it. Number 4. Priyanka Chopra Jonas is not just India's ambassador abroad in the world of media and entertainment. She is also a global UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador and contributes to many charitable causes in India as well. She also runs the Priyanka Chopra Foundation, which subsidizes education for the youth in India. जब प्रियंका को पता चला कि उनकी हाउस हेल्प का बेटा स्कूल जाता था, बेटी नहीं, she paid for the little girl's school fees. Now, over a decade later, Priyanka अपने earning के 10% अपने foundation को contribute करती हैं, and these funds are used to educate children, mostly girls, and meet their medical expenses. Even in her role as a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador, Priyanka Chopra travels to countries around the world spreading awareness about the importance of female empowerment and education and healthcare for children, especially children of refugees. She is truly special and we are very proud of her. Number 5. Sonu Sood. Sonu Sood is one of those celebrities who has raised the bar really high when it comes to pandemic relief work. The actor has won 1 million hearts by organizing buses to take thousands of migrant workers home after they lost their jobs and homes. He also airlifted migrant workers from Odisha who were stranded in Kerala. Sonu also set up a helpline for those stranded in Mumbai and asked them to contact him directly. किसी का जॉब लगवाना हो या गरीब किसान को ट्रैक्टर दिलवाना हो, सोनू ने एक फरिश्ते की तरह इस मुश्किल समय में इंडियंस की सेवा की है एंड दैट मेक्स हिम तन मन धन से ट्रूली इंडियन. अफवाहों और इल्जामों का सिलसिला जारी है. After multiple of Sushant's alleged friends shared their theories and made accusations against those they perceive may have hurt Sushant's feelings, Sushant के जिम पार्टनर अब एक नई थियरी शेयर कर रहे हैं that alleges a conspiracy by Ria's father and Mahesh Bhatt to harm Sushant and cause his demise.
Though the CBI has begun a thorough investigation into the demise of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, the blames and accusations that keep emerging from those who have claimed to have been close to Sushant is endless, quite frankly unverified and baseless. But these accusations and blames keep seeming to fuel the fire of conspiracy theories that keep coming up in the minds of fans and onlookers. Here's the entire story.
Times Now, which has been running a parallel investigation of sorts and has spoken to multiple people who knew Sushant at one point, has now spoken to a man calling himself Sunil Shukla, who claims to have been Sushant's gym partner. Sunil, while speaking to Times Now, has shared a wild conspiracy theory accusing Ria's father and Mahesh Bhatt of causing Sushant's demise. Sushant passed away under tragic and increasingly suspicious circumstances on June the 14th. After multiple setbacks and a now heavily criticized investigation by the Mumbai police, the case has finally been handed over to the CBI, whose officials are now in Mumbai investigating the case and meeting all key witnesses and those who were at Sushant's home when the late actor's demise occurred. Sushant's father had filed an FIR in the end of July naming Ria Chakrabarti as the main accused in the case, and the actor who has called herself Sushant's girlfriend will now be questioned by the CBI soon. She is also undergoing investigation by the Enforcement Directorate for charges of money laundering after Sushant's father alleged that over 15 crores had been transferred out of his son's account mysteriously. Sushant's family has also alleged that Ria and her family had distanced the late actor from his own family and prescribed wrong medications to him. In addition to Ria's brother Shoaik and her parents, whose names have been linked reportedly to the case, director Mahesh Bhatt has also been under scrutiny due to his proximity to Ria Chakrabarti and his alleged interference in Sushant and Ria's relationship. Sunil Shukla, who spoke to Times Now recently, made a shocking and unverified allegation based on his opinion of what may have happened and said that the conspiracy to cause Sushant's demise was made by Ria's father and alleged mentor Mahesh Bhatt. Sunil further said, Mr. Chakrabarti gave some medicines to Ria, and when Ria left, somebody must have been keeping those medicines to give to Sushant Singh Rajput. Sunil has also cast suspicion on Siddharth Pithani and staff members Neeraj and Dipesh Sawant, alleging that one of these members must have given Sushant the medicines even after Ria left Sushant's home. Adding to those who claim that the actor was not battling depression, Sunil also claims that his friend was not battling any mental health issue. Sunil's statements are just his personal opinion in the matter, and hopefully, with the CBI team's investigation, the truth will soon emerge from the web of allegations and rumors that have been flooding social media and electronic media recently. The CBI has begun its investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput's case. We bring you the top 4 updates from the investigation now being held by the Central Bureau of Investigation.
After 2 months of rumors, allegations, blames and uncertainty, it finally seems like the case surrounding Sushant Singh Rajput's demise is finally picking up steam. Now, with the CBI taking over the investigation, it seems like they're taking major steps in re-examining all the evidence that was submitted and questioning all the key witnesses whose testimonies could hold the solution to this case. Here's the story.
Number 1. The CBI allegedly recreated the events leading up to Sushant's demise and questions Siddharth Pithani and Neeraj Singh yet again. This is the second time Siddharth has been called for questioning, and the third time Neeraj, who was a staff member, has also been called by the agency. After questioning them again, Siddharth Pithani and Neeraj Pandey were allegedly taken back to Sushant's former home. There were some reports that the CBI would recreate the events of the day when the actor passed away using scientific methods. There have been some reports alleging that the multiple rounds of questionings and recreating the events of June 13th and 14th, that there are inconsistencies between Siddharth and Neeraj's accounts. This is yet to be verified. Number 2. The CBI reaches Waterstone Resort, where Sushant allegedly stayed for 2 months. One of the accusations made by Sushant's family is that Ria and her family had held Sushant captive in a resort to treat him for an alleged mental condition. There have been allegations of spiritual healing being attempted on the actor at the resort. Number 3. AIIMS doctors may examine Sushant's post-mortem reports and autopsy details. There are some reports that the CBI may take assistance from AIIMS doctors to examine the medical reports that were created after examining Sushant's mortal remains. Sources का कहना है कि 4 डॉक्टर्स की एक टीम headed by Dr. Sudhir Gupta, head of forensic medicines, सुशांत के सारे पोस्टमार्टम मेडिकल रिपोर्ट्स को दोबारा स्टडी करेगी. Sudhir Gupta has reportedly spoken to a news agency and said, "The CBI has contacted us and they wanted a competent medical board to give an opinion along with requests to visit Mumbai to cross-verify the facts." Number 4. Mumbai police questioned by the CBI on why no second opinion was taken while examining Sushant's mortal remains. There have been reports that the CBI has questioned the Mumbai police's decision to not get a second opinion on Sushant Singh Rajput's post-mortem report. A news report claims that the CBI has asked the police officers investigating Sushant's case on why they did not approach another team of doctors or experts for a second opinion on the autopsy report of the late Bollywood actor. While the CBI is yet to make any official statements about what it has discovered in its investigations, we do hope that the truth finally prevails and Sushant's family gets the closure they need. Bollywood divas Kareena Kapoor Khan and Shilpa Shetty Kundra are both back to work.
आज फीलिंग आ रही है कि मैं शिल्पा शेट्टी हूँ एक्ट्रेस जैसी फीलिंग हो रही है
The divas shared updates from behind the scenes as they got into hair and makeup again to shoot for some special projects. Shilpa, who has a small baby at home, and Kareena, who is pregnant with her second child, are setting a great example of how life has to go on in the new normal.
Well, guys, it's been 5 months since the lockdown was first announced, and after spending many months at home, Bollywood celebrities seem to be getting back out there and going back to work with all precautions in place, of course. Kareena Kapoor Khan and Saif Ali Khan were seen shooting an ad from their home, where Kareena posted a bunch of pictures of herself looking absolutely radiant. And then there was Shilpa Shetty Kundra, who spent this lockdown with her daughter, her newborn daughter Samisha, and her son Bian. She has gotten back onto set. Well, it seems like both these mothers are definitely setting work-life balance goals for the rest of the industry. Way to go, ladies.
Kareena, who is basking in the pregnancy glow, has had a relaxed lockdown period in kaftans and messy hair, spending quality time with Saif and little Taimur. But after a long 5 months indoors, it seems like Kareena and Saif are back to work with the couple shooting for an ad film in the safety of their home. Kareena, who has been sharing selfies, has shared a second behind-the-scenes video from the shoot. Kareena uploaded the video on her social media stories where she is chilling with Saif, who is munching on snacks in between shots. When in doubt, pout it out. Shoot at home with the husband again. Kareena captioned her post. Lekin Kareena ki tarah another working mother was back to the sets after a long break. Shilpa Shetty Kundra, who recently had a second child through surrogacy, has been at home with her new baby through the lockdown. The actor was back on set after a long break for a very special project to pay tribute to those who have been battling the pandemic from the front lines. Shilpa ने एक behind the scenes video share करते हुए लिखा, "The best way to make peace with any situation is to gradually adapt to the change. So after a 5-month hiatus, I shot for something special, an act for Ganesh Chaturthi as a humble dedication to all our frontline warriors. I wanted to do something special in my own way for the ones who have been working relentlessly to help curb the situation and restore normalcy with their best foot forward. I can't even begin to express how overwhelming it was to get back to it all. Felt surreal. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones. We owe it to all the brave warriors who have put their lives on the line for us." Well, we are really inspired by both these amazing women who are taking brave steps into the new normal, and we can't wait to see more actors return to work. With all precautions in place, of course.
5 महीने के बाद पहली शूटिंग कर रहे हैं हम और ये जो शूट हो रहा है बहुत ही स्पेशल है क्योंकि इट्स एन ओड टू ऑल आवर मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी टू ऑल द बीएमसी वर्कर्स जिन्होंने अपने आप को एक दिन की भी छुट्टी नहीं दी है एंड दे बिन डूइंग दिस अनकंडीशनल सर्विस फॉर अस और मैं बस यही प्रार्थना करूँगी कि इन विघ्नों को सबसे मतलब जल्दी निकाले हमारी ज़िंदगियों से एंड मे एवरीवन बी ब्लेस्ड विद गुड हेल्थ।
चलिए दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, बट डोंट गो एनीवेयर, वी आर कमिंग राइट बैक।
It's been raining in Mumbai and looks like with the lockdown and the monsoons, it has meant that celebrities are enjoying the rain either by staying at home and chilling or stepping out with a bright colored umbrella. Check out what your favorite celebrities were up to in our social media roundup.
Well, it seems to have been a very happy weekend for many of our Bollywood celebrities, with some of them enjoying and celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi at home with their families, while others just chilling out and enjoying the Mumbai rains with their families. Either way, they all posted updates from their homes with their families about themselves for their special fans and followers. Check it out.
Hello everyone. Nice to be here, doing this for the first time, making a fool of myself because I have no idea what's going on. I don't know how to do this. I'm very bad with it. But very soon I think Vidyut will join and then we'll have a chat.
Hrithik Roshan may be into cool gadgets and gizmos when it comes to his films, लेकिन लगता है real life में Hrithik was left feeling quite challenged with a social media live chat option while he was trying to speak to actor Vidyut Jamwal. Calling it his attempts at adjusting to a new normal, it took Hrithik several tries to finally be able to start a live chat conversation with Vidyut, but looks like he was a good sport and had a laugh at himself and his not-so-savvy social media skills. While Hrithik stayed indoors and had an online chat.
Okay, I'm going to be right back. Okay, I'm going to put this off. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Holy
all doing our part. We're all doing our part.
Katrina stepped out and enjoyed some Mumbai ki barish. The actor, who has shared a sweet picture on social media, looked relaxed in a casual white outfit, accessorized with matching shoes and a chhata. Katrina captioned her ray of sunshine in gloomy monsoons photo with a small poem which said, "I share my umbrella. If I have no umbrella, I share the rain." But while Katrina played in the rain, Gauri Khan is being a responsible parent and spending some time with son Abram. And looks like a long lockdown with kids at home has not been easy for the glamorous interior designer either. Gauri shared snaps of her youngest son and wrote, "Let children prepare a timetable on their own and parents make the approval. Lockdown is definitely not a vacation." Meera Kapoor was not worrying about her kids, it seems, क्योंकि she is still setting couple goals with her husband Shahid Kapoor. Meera and Shahid, who got married 5 years ago, love indulging in some PDA, even if it is on social media. And Meera shared a picture of Shahid channeling a little bit of his Kabir Singh performance and giving his real-life lady some intense romantic looks. Looks like Bollywood celebs के घरों में भी हमारी फिल्मों की तरह रोमांस था, कॉमेडी थी and of course रेन सॉन्ग तो डेफिनेटली था. Now, whose social media post did you identify with? Do let us know. दीपिका और कटरीना बहुत जल्दी दिखेंगी फिल्म सेट पे. We hear that at least two highly anticipated projects, the domestic noir thriller starring Deepika Padukone, Ananya Pandey and Siddhant Chaturvedi, and Katrina's superhero film with director Ali Abbas Zafar are both scheduled to start filming soon.
Well, it's been a long wait for a lot of actors and filmmakers whose well-laid out plans for 2020 have been brought to a standstill thanks to the pandemic that has gripped the globe and stopped shoots and delayed film releases. Now, in spite of the fact that theatres will remain shut, it seems like a lot of films are going back on the floor to either complete or resume shooting so that they're ready for a release, whether it's online or for when theatres open. Now, having said that, considering the fact that we're still in the middle of fighting this pandemic, things might look a little different on set, whether it's the number of people, whether it is the kind of safety precautions, or even the locations of shoot. This will be interesting to see, but for now, here's the story.
Shakun Batra's domestic noir thriller, which has the interesting cast of Deepika Padukone, Ananya Pandey and Siddhant Chaturvedi, was all set to film in Sri Lanka when all flights were stopped and a nationwide lockdown was announced. Now, almost 5 months later, we hear that the team is all set to start work again. कुछ हफ्ते पहले हमें सुनने में आया था कि शकुन अपनी यूनिट और एक्टर्स के साथ नवंबर में श्रीलंका जाएंगे as travel restrictions slowly ease. But now we hear that the director might just choose Goa instead so he can start filming as early as next month. The makers are toying with the idea of planning a 25-day schedule in Goa, and the lead actors along with the rest of the cast may be flown in by the second week of September to start filming this untitled project. Apparently pre-production shuru ho gaya hai and the team is putting safety guidelines in place so that everyone working on this movie stays safe during the filming. The team may still shoot in Sri Lanka on another location depending on what Shakun and producer Karan Johar decide. But it's not just Deepika who will hear lights, camera and action very soon. Katrina Kaif is all set to star in a thrilling superhero film directed by Ali Abbas Zafar. But Ali, who is used to filming with large crews, shoots grand action and romance scenes, has admitted that filming in the new normal will mean changing a lot about the way he usually works. Zafar, who has been waiting to start work with Katrina on this grand female superhero project, has said to a newspaper, "We are in the pre-production stage. It is going to be challenging to apply social distancing norms, but safety is paramount. I would need to have the security that if I call 100 people on set, then I need all of them to have been sanitized and gone through a test and all that. So it will take time." Also, given the situation, every filmmaker has to rejig, rethink and re-evaluate their upcoming projects to suit the present situation, feels Zafar. Ali, who is used to shooting in lavish outdoor locations and mounting his film on a large scale, considering he works almost exclusively with huge superstars, is working on how he can now modify the scale and locations of filming to make it a safer experience. I think most shoots will now move indoors in a more controlled environment. Everyone is now hoping that a vaccine will be available soon, and by next year we will all be back to what used to be normal earlier. Well, we wish both these teams the very best of luck, and here's hoping that we can watch both these movies in the theatre very soon.
दोस्तों उसी के साथ we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood, promising to be back tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you soon.